What's going on, everyone? How's it going? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about rideshare insurance and a brand new rideshare insurance company that just started. And actually, in my opinion, to my knowledge, the first rideshare company I've ever heard of. And I've been making videos on this channel for like 3 years. I've been driving for Uber and Lyft for like 5 years now, which is crazy. Yeah, I first signed up to drive for Lyft like 5 years ago. I've done mostly all the apps. I've done DoorDash, Instacart, Postmates, Uber Eats, Instacart. I don't know if I said that already, but I've done a lot of the apps, and this is the first one that I've seen that they are an insurance company for rideshare drivers and food delivery drivers. I'm gonna have the link below to sign up. Yeah, they actually pay you $5 just to get a free membership or $20 to get a free quote. So check the link out below, but listen to this, my friends. Buckle Up. Buckle Up is this it's an inclusive digital financial services platform serving the rising middle class and providers to the gig economy. I don't know how I've never heard of them before. I mean, I did take like over a year off from posting content, posting videos, but if you look up Buckle Up, I know some other YouTubers were just talking about them, and so that's how I actually heard about them. But listen to this, it's car insurance for people who drive rideshare and delivery. Buckle was designed exclusively for rideshare and delivery drivers because gig drivers deserve better options. Rideshare and delivery insurance can be confusing. We can break it down for you in 2 minutes. It's a better car insurance. You have peace of mind. No credit checks. We do not check your credit. We look at your star rating instead. We feel it is a fairer way to judge how you drive. That's awesome. And by the way, if you've been deactivated by any gig platforms, there's a company too called the Reactivation Center that's giving drivers a fair chance and helping drivers on their journey to reactivation. Check out the link below. But listen to and I have a referral code for that too. But yeah, they have immediate proof of insurance. Sign up today and you will immediately be covered. We'll even cancel your old policy so you don't have to worry about wasting money. This seems like the best solution to this gaping, massive hole in the gig economy. Is like, what do you do about insurance? Like, what do you do? Because Lyft and Uber insurance, like, basically the worst in the world. I luckily, thank God, I've never been in an accident while driving, but I've heard people been into an accident and they say like Lyft and Uber are the worst insurance companies. They don't want to pay for anything, and they just keep prolonging it, and then at the very end of the day, it's like, we don't cover it. And it's like, your personal insurance is not going to cover it, and most of your personal insurance do not want you to drive for rideshare because it's not a commercial policy or rideshare policy. And I've reached out to several insurance companies, and they're like, we do not cover rideshare drivers. I reached out to Lemonade. I reached out to other, like Geico, other people too, and they're like, we don't, like, they're like, are you using your, like, if you do, your insurance like goes way up. So these people look really awesome. Buckle up. Check it out, link below. I'm excited to learn more. I just reached out to somebody on their team to do an interview. Maybe I'll try to even have them on the channel. Maybe I'll do like a interview. Maybe let me know if you'd like that. Otherwise, we can, I'll just have a private phone call and share the information from the call. So anyways, thanks for watching. Take care. And yeah, use the links below to sign up. Talk to you soon. Bye now.